Next topic is international shore connection. Now, international shore connections are requirement as per SOLAS. Ships of 500 gross tonnage and upwards shall be provided with at least one international shore connection. Now, that should be in compliance with the FSS code, that is your Fire Safety Systems code. Coming to this facility shall be available, enabling such a connection to be used on either side of the ship. That is, on your port side also you can use it, as well as on your starboard side. So you can use it on either side of your ship. The international shore connection should be made of steel or other equivalent material, and it is designed for a pressure of 1 Newton per mm square. That is a service pressure which it is capable of withstanding. Now, the standard size of the international shore connection is as follows. The outer diameter should be of 178 mm. The inner diameter is of 64 mm. The bolt circle diameter is taken from the center of the bolt circles, and this is your bolt circle diameter. That is 132 mm. The slots in the flange, there are 4 slots of 19 mm. So suppose this is your international shore connection. Considering this as a flange, these are your 4 slots, each of 19 mm in dia. Now the flange thickness, this is your flange thickness of 14.5 mm is required. Bolts and nuts, there are 4 bolts required. These are your bolts. There are 4 bolts, such bolts required, and they should be of 16 mm in dia and 50 mm in length. Now 8 washers are required along with this, as 4 of these are there, and 2 washers for each of these bolts, and 4 nuts are required. So, and 1 gasket. The use of gasket is when you connect your international shore connections. So it presents as a proofing. It presents as a seal between the connections. So the gasket provides a sealing. Now, how will you connect it? This is an important question which is asked by surveyors. The connection, considering this as your international shore connection. Now, you use this international shore connection is always connected with shore-based emergency services and to the ship's fire main. So this is provided with a coupling in back. So the coupling can be attached to your hose and then attached to your fire mains, and the other side is connected to the shore-based emergency services. So that is how you connect it. And this is the international shore connection is never to be used for routine ship activities. It is only in case of emergency it is to be used. That's about your international shore connection.